Okay, let me take this back. Let me take this back. Hey my PJ Genies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. And if you're back again, you're welcome. Thank you so much guys for your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate your support. Alrighty, Mensa, let's get into it. So in this case, this is actually part 3 of my spring collection video, which has to do with the importance of having staples this spring. Yeah, so for this one, it has to do with that point 7, which is having that one black bag. Okay, so this one has to do with that point where I mentioned that it's important to have just that one handbag, So to be honest, from my opinion, I prefer buying a Polo handbag. That's what my budget can afford. If you can buy an expensive bag more than that, you go ahead, you go, do you, boo. But this is me doing me, boo. So I'm not saying some brands are bad, some brands are what, but I prefer Polos because I've used it before. I realized that I can use the same bag for a very long time until I am tired of it. So yeah, that's why I prefer Polo handbags. So in this case, I actually discovered that Superbalist is actually cheaper. So the reason I'm saying this, I don't know about other outlets, but I've noticed that when I went to the shop to look for a Polo handbag, it was a bit expensive. Not like a bit expensive, but Superbalist has this thing going on. You can get something for 20% cheaper. Okay, I don't know if it was just me that day, but every time I look on the app, that's what I'm seeing. So in this case, this bag is actually $1,999. I don't know why my voice raised like that, but yeah. But after the 20% discount, it was actually 1,599 rands. That's 20% off. So actually in the store, you hardly get a sale, you hardly see a sale. But on Superbalist, whenever I get into the app to see if I want to buy a Polo bag, it's always on sale. Literally, not always, but most of the times when I log in and I see this. So that's what I noticed. So if you want to get yourself a Polo handbag, go to Superbalist and buy it. Yes. So you'll see the screenshots to show you that I am being honest and genuine. So as you know guys, I prefer using the Take a Lot pickup point because I cannot always know if I'll be home for a delivery or if I'll be at work or if I'll be out of town. So I prefer Superbalist to go drop my order by the Take a Lot pickup point, so that when I'm ready, then I go pick up. Alright, so you'll see in this instant, this order was quite quick. I ordered on the 20th of August. So you'll see the email, it shows that my email was confirmed, my order was confirmed. And then you can see my item was just $1,599 and I did not have to pay for any delivery, no extra fees, no extra costs. You know what I mean? If you buy from China, you know the extra costs, but in this case, no extra costs. Yeah. So now let's unbox. Alright, so this is the packaging for the handbag that I got. Yeah guys, so let's unbox. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Okay, I'm sure you can see. Okay. Ooh, ciao. Ooh, ciao. Ooh, colorful. Ooh, Mensa. Ooh, Mensa. Ooh, this is the handbag. This is the handbag. Ooh, I think I like this more. The wrapping is so nice. Oh, I've never actually seen the real wrapper like this. Whenever I buy, oh my gosh, it has the thing. It has the warranty thingies, guys. This, you have to keep this for your warranty. That's the other thing I learned about Polo handbags, that they have a warranty. So should it break, you can always return it. And that's why I think this is my bougie on a budget. And I ain't gonna spend more than this. More than 3K on a bag, never. So this is it, guys. I love it. Oh guys, I think I made the best choice. So this bag looks big enough. So I'm one of your girls who actually carry a lot of things in a handbag, from an umbrella every day to shoes. Ooh, okay, I love this, guys. Okay, so this is my one handbag that is black, that will go with any outfit in spring or winter, summer. Ooh, guys, it smells so new. I love it. Okay, guys, this is the bag. This is the bag. Yeah, guys, this is the thingy. Oh, thank you, thank you. It doesn't have a price tag on it. This is cute. Yeah, guys, I love this bag. It feels so soft. And I like the fact that it's big, but not too big. It's definitely my type of stuff. Okay, guys. Alrighty. Thank you so much. I hope you're aware there is a part 1 and a part 2. And this is actually part 3 of my spring collection video. And yeah. Take care.